I can't help but believe that I need you back in.
Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Foodie. So today I'm shooting a different kind of video. It's what I eat in a day. The concept is very famous on YouTube these days. So I will be recording what I eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Today is Saturday. I live in Poland for those of you who don't know. And also today I'm getting my first dose of COVID vaccine. So I will try to record that as well if possible, and if not, I'll just give you updates of how it went and what was the procedure here if you're interested. So right now it's 5:30. As you saw, my alarm went off at 4:30. So yes, I wake up really early and I sleep really early for that as well. I've just made my big cup of black coffee. So currently I am reading this book. It's called 0 to 1. It is from Peter Thiel. He is the co-founder of PayPal, and it is about startups and upcoming businesses, and I think it is really interesting. So every day in the morning I read my book for maybe half an hour to 1 hour and drink my coffee, and that is the best part of my day. I really like doing this activity. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I will see you at breakfast. So I'm back from the shower and now it's time to make breakfast. For breakfast I'm making oatmeal with apples and little bit of granola. So I will quickly show you what I will be using. For the base milk I will be using this hazelnut milk that I have in the fridge. For the oats I will be using whole grain oats, and also I will be adding some chia seeds to the oatmeal. It also helps it make thick, and chia seeds are very healthy and have a lot of calcium. So I will be adding a lot of chia seeds as well. Also I really like this pistachio butter in my oatmeal whenever I'm adding apples. I think the combination is even better than apples and peanut butter for me, so I will go for pistachio butter in my oatmeal. That will also make it thick and creamy and extremely delicious. And once I am done making the oatmeal, I will top it up with this apple, and for nuts I will be using some walnuts, and I will also use some raw cacao nibs. And for the topping, to add a little bit more crunch, I will also be using this nut granola. This is also really delicious and I like it, so I will add it as well. Let's make breakfast.
I don't mind to show you my emotions. Eyes blue like the ocean. I'm out of here, but I won't find none to keep me afloat when I need you to hold. I'm staying clear. Better to love than lost, I know, but I can't make myself involved. So forgive for what I stole, and just give me a chance to show. You keep me up till the morning. I can't just let you go.
Hey everyone, so I am back and I have got vaccinated. So they gave me this card. So this card has information of what vaccine have I gotten, which is Moderna, and when, so which is today's date, and for the next dose Also, they have specified the date and time, and there's a serial number allotted to me, and they have also told that I have to keep this with me always, like not in my pocket but in my documents folder always. So my time slot was 10:15 a.m. and I reached there around 10, and there was a huge line and there were a lot of counters there. So the first they were putting everybody in the line. So the first counter was regarding filling of a form which had a lot of questions related to allergies that you have or some medications that you are on currently, or if you have some autoimmune disease, just questions related to your health, and you have tick mark yes or no in front of them, and also you have to give your personal details into the form. And then on the next counter they were collecting the form and were giving me this card. There was another counter where they were from this card entering some information in their system and were allotting time for the next dose. At the same time, I also received message on my phone that my second dose appointment has also been booked, and ahead of that there was the vaccination counters where I got this vaccine, and then I had to wait there for 15 minutes just to monitor if I have some allergic reaction or some problems, and then they let me go. Yeah, that was the experience. It was good. I didn't feel anything. It took like 2 seconds when they injected the vaccine, and I didn't even know when it got over. So yeah, it was nothing. I still don't feel anything. I don't feel any pain or any kind of discomfort or anything. If mild symptoms come up in 2 or 3 days, but for now I am fine. So that was about the experience. And for lunch I am not very hungry, so I have decided to make myself one uttapam. Uttapam is a South Indian dish and I really like it a lot. For that I have already taken some semolina, which is made from wheat, and I have kept it to soak in some soy yogurt. This is the brand that I am using currently, and I will let this sit for like 10 minutes maybe, and then I will make my uttapam. So after 10-15 minutes I added some salt in the batter, and now I am putting it in a pan, and from the top I am putting in chopped onions, tomatoes and chilies and some red pepper. I'm making it very light. I'm not doing a lot here. You can put any vegetables that you want, and you can also put any spices that you are craving for. I am making this one very light because I'm not very hungry, as I had a very heavy breakfast. After lunch, I also had this piece of chocolate as dessert. This is homemade vegan chocolate, and if you want the recipe, I've already uploaded a video of it on my channel, so you can check it out. So for dinner, I decided to make quick quesadillas with whatever I had in the fridge. Here I'm warming up a tortilla wrap and then adding a layer of hummus to it. On top of it, I'm adding spinach, some tomatoes, cucumber, red bell pepper, some pumpkin seeds, and little bit of pesto. So it's 6:30 right now, and I have just prepared my dinner. Usually I finish dinner by 6 because I go to sleep really early because I have to wake up early. But today after lunch I was feeling very tired, and it does not happen very often. I don't even remember the last time I went for an afternoon nap. So I think it was because of the vaccine, because my arm was also a little bit sore and was hurting, and I just felt really tired and felt like sleeping. So I slept for 2 hours and then woke up and then made myself a very quick dinner, and now I will have it. I don't feel any discomfort still. I don't have any redness in my arm, just a little bit of soreness, not too much, and I don't have any fever or cough or cold or any other symptoms. So yes, I feel fine. I think my arm was feeling more sore before I went to sleep, and after I woke up I feel even better. So I don't know, it affects everybody differently. So yeah, this is my experience with it until now. And now I will have my dinner and watch Modern Family. I have recently started watching it. I'm still on season 1 and it is really funny, and I don't know why I never watched it earlier, but yes, I'm watching it right now.
Sorry, really?
Hey, just need a little bit of time. It'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was already fine with it.
So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this concept. If you have any questions regarding COVID vaccine or the procedure around here in Poland and my experience related to it, do let me know in the comment section below. I will share as much as possible with you, but do keep in mind that this is my personal experience and everybody is going through a different experience of their own. Even my close family members and friends, they have all their unique and different experiences. Somebody is having a fever the next day, somebody is having a little bit of cold and cough, somebody is not having any symptoms at all. So everybody has their own experiences, but do let me know if you have more questions around it. Also, if you would like me to make more such videos, give the video a like and share and subscribe to the channel, so I know that you support it and I will keep on making more such content. As always, all the recipes that I have made today are already written down on my blog, so all the links are in the description box below. You can check them out as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.